Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Sonos with voice control through Alexa. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, ensure that your Sonos speaker is set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Skills and Games from the menu options. In the search bar, type Sonos and hit search. Locate the Sonos skill in the search results and tap on it. Tap the Enable to Use button to activate the Sonos skill. You'll be prompted to log into your Sonos account. Enter your Sonos account credentials and tap Sign In. After signing in, you may need to link your Alexa device to Sonos. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Once linked, your Sonos speakers should appear in the Alexa app. Now, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Tap on the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Add Device in the upper right corner. Choose Speaker from the list of device types. Select Sonos from the list of brands. The app will scan for your Sonos speakers. Once detected, follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now, you can use voice commands with Alexa to control your Sonos speaker. Try saying, "Alexa, play music on Sonos." Alternatively, you can ask Alexa to play specific playlists or artists. You can also control the volume by saying, "Alexa, set the volume to 5 on Sonos." To group your Sonos speakers, say, "Alexa, group Sonos speakers." Test, enjoy your music effortlessly through voice control with Sonos and Alexa. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.